Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw slime. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon slime, we're going to make it look like a pair of hands is holding the slime. So let's start over here. We're going to make some fingers. So let's begin by making an oval shape like this. We're going to make another oval shape here. We're going to do one here, and then one right here, kind of underneath a little bit. Same thing over here. We're going to make an oval shape. We're going to make another one here. Let's do one right here, and then a smaller one, kind of where the pinky would be. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up and down for the thumb. And then same thing here, kind of curve that up and down. Now for the slime, we're just going to make kind of like a wavy line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to come up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a wavy line. It's going to come up. It's going to be a little skinnier in the middle, and then it's going to be really wavy down here. I'm going to add a couple little extra curved lines on here, just to make it look like the slime has some texture. Then I'm also going to make kind of like a wavy line on the fingers too, just to make it look like there's slime on the fingers as well. So we're just going to make some wavy lines on here. Then we're going to give the slime a funny face. So I'm going to begin by making an eye right here. And then I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to draw a circle in here with a smaller one. I'm just going to color this in. And then one over here, circle, small circle, and then we're just going to color that in for the pupil. We leave that little circle white so it looks like there's reflection. Next, for the face, I'm going to draw a line across, and we're going to make a line down. We're going to draw a line that's going to curve around and then come back for like a tongue. And a little curved line. Then we're going to make some bumpy lines for some teeth, and a line down for the other side of the mouth. Then I'm going to make a couple little lines like this, and then a few little lines here, just to make it look like the slime is kind of stretching. And there you go, there is your drawing of some cartoon slime. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.